What's up, guys? In today's video, we'll be showing you, or I'll be showing you, all of the mods that is quite necessary for FPS and overall vanilla Minecraft. So, number one, you can slow the video down, pause it. I'm just gonna scroll. Here's all of the mods that I use, and after this, we're gonna be doing a after and before FPS check to just show you guys that it works. And then here we go. Boom. Mm, mm. By the way, this is 1.21.1, so it's the best one for FPS, so I would recommend 1.21.1. And then let me just get through this. You guys can pause the video, and that's it. So we're gonna first do one with all of the mods, no cuts, because otherwise people will start hating me and telling me that it's fake and that I like switched to a different PC or things like that. So I'm gonna do no cuts, absolutely no cuts. And I'm gonna put on the screen, or actually, no. I'm not gonna tell you guys to skip when I'm in Minecraft, otherwise, you guys will think I'm cheating. We do not want that. So, here we go. Uh, Now we just have to wait. And this is your guys' fault for giving other YouTubers hate for doing cuts. I don't know why. So, just wait. Um, okay, so I'm gonna go right here, there, bombastic. Now let's wait, go there, and look up, just up. Now, if you look on the top left, you're gonna be seeing my FPS. Now let's just wait for the chat to stop, because normally without recording, I get about let's see. I get about 330 FPS when I'm not recording, but this is still very good when I record. Now, if we go to the same thing and then just disable all of my mods. Can I do? Yeah, there we go. All of them are disabling. All of them are disabled. Now, if we go in here again, I'm gonna show you guys that these mods actually help. Unlike those other people that just make a YouTube short going, do this and that, little as you know, it doesn't compare together correctly and those kind of things. You know what I'm talking about. Now, if we come over here, we will come, and as you can see, there's no mods. It says modded, but there is no mods. I can prove it to you. I don't even have mod menu. Look here, everything's normal. It's just because it's fabric, that's why it says modded. Everyone should know that unless you're a Forge user. Okay, now same exact thing. Look up. We should wait though for it to be daytime, because now it's not going to be the exact same. So I'm doing over video and must be gay. Oh, flip. Now let me do random RTP. Bombastic. Now let me just hold up real quick. Okay, look up. And let's see our FPS. It's 150, but here's the thing. I'm getting a ton of stutters and it's still going down. So it kinda helps. You know, it kinda helps. I'm getting like, if I do this, 70. So it kinda helps, but hey, it helps, but it shouldn't be this high. All I know is that my PC with a 41% bottleneck sucks. So mods aren't necessary, but you don't know me. I'm only started doing YouTube videos now, but I love mods. So see ya.